Matapos ipaabot ng personal ni Manila Mayor Joseph Estrada ang opisyal na paghingi ng paumanhin sa mga kaanak ng mga nasawi sa hostage crisis at opisyal ng Hong Kong, tinanggal na ang black travel warning ng Hong Kong sa Pilipinas. Tinanggal din ang mga ipinataw na parusa sa Pilipinas katulad ng suspensyon ng access ng mga opisyal ng pamahalaan. Para sa detalye, balita mo kami Julius Disamburon.
Matapos maganap ang bus hostage crisis sa Quirino Grandstand sa Maynila noong taong 2010 na ikinasawi ng 7 individual, tinapos na ngayon ang sigalot sa pagitan ng Hong Kong at Pilipinas. Kung kaya't inalis na rin ng Hong Kong ang mga ipinataw nitong parusa o travel sanctions gaya ng suspensyon ng visa-free access para sa mga opisyal ng pamahalaan at ang pagbabawal sa mga mamamayan nito na bumiyahe sa Pilipinas. Ang nasabing magandang balita ay inihayag ni Communications Secretary Herminio San Nicoloma Jr. sa ginanap na special press briefing sa Malacanang. Ito ay mulat ng makausap niya si Secretary to the Cabinet Jose Rene Almendras na nasa Hong Kong ngayon.
I have just talked with Secretary Rene Almendras. He confirmed that the relationship between the Philippines and the Hong Kong Special Administrative Region is now back. We join the Department of Foreign Affairs in acknowledging the statement of Hong Kong Chief Executive C.Y. Leung on the complete and final resolution of the Quirino Grandstand incident of 23 August 2010 and the lifting of the sanctions. According to Secretary Almendras, Chief Executive Leung has issued a separate statement in which he thanked President Aquino and the Philippine government on this auspicious development. I have conveyed to the President the report of Secretary Almendras, and he expressed satisfaction that final closure and a mutually satisfactory conclusion has been reached. Secretary Almendras has agreed to provide you with a comprehensive briefing tomorrow.
Kinilala din naman ng palasyo ang tulong ni dating Pangulo at kasalukuyang alkalde ng lungsod ng Maynila, Joseph Ejercito Estrada, sa naging tagumpay na resultang ito.
We would like to thank former President and Mayor Estrada for his initiative that has contributed to the national government to reach this desired outcome. We all know the elements that were being sought for such an agreement. One was on the aspect of the government saying sorry. And I think that has been adequately addressed as proved by the fact that they have agreed that a mutually satisfactory solution has been reached. That implies that they have acknowledged that we have addressed that matter satisfactorily. The second element is the tokens of solidarity, which addresses the needs of the families. This is something that we have also discussed in the earlier briefings. But I think it would be best that we wait for Secretary Almendras to give us the full details.
Sa isang pahayag naman kay Mayor Erap, sinabi nito na muling naibalik ang magandang relasyon ng dalawang bansa at pinangako nitong mapapangalagaan ang mga Hong Kong tourists sa Maynila kundi sa buong bansa.
When I assume office as mayor, I voluntarily apologize in behalf of the city of Manila.
The Philippines looks forward to working with the Hong Kong SAR government in turning a new page in bilateral relations.
Para sa Telebisyon ng Bayan, ako si Julius Disamburon.